Hello guys, this is the Poopy Hacker here, and today we got this fidget right here. It's a fidget spinner. We're gonna spin it, and that's gonna be awesome. And let's do it. Oh, this is going to spin. This is spinning fast. Can anybody spin it? I'm sure lots of people can do this, but bouncing on their phone. Oh yeah, that's awesome. That's cool. Well, yeah, it's gonna be a really awesome video. Look at that spinniness. Look at this. Anybody spin it like this? Yeah, I just showed you that I could do that. I know you saw Xander do a Mario Hacker do a Floor's Lava video, and I'm gonna upload this. This might be an awesome video, which it is. Wait, let's see if...
Okay, I am going right out there into the mouse car because I...
Wait, let me switch sides.
This is my wallet. I'm really starting to freak out.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that, fidget! That's good. Oh!
Savage. Have you heard this song before, Tim? It's new. It's called Sorry, Not Sorry. Not sorry. I'm not sorry. It says, you're fucking with the bad bitch. I'm a savage. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry.
Look at how long this spins. I'm holding this for very long. 7 hours. 7 hours.
You might get rained on in a minute, Dan.
It's been for 7 hours. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Peace.